Hey pharmacist, welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you here. Today we're going to be doing a full overview of the Freestyle Libre 2. I'm going to be unboxing it, applying it to my skin, setting up the app, and much more. But wait, there's an exciting update to the Freestyle Libre 2 that you're going to want to stick around for. And if you're curious about the Freestyle Libre 3, which I happen to get my hands on, make sure you subscribe because I'll be doing an unboxing of this one next. Okay, let's jump in. Meet the Freestyle Libre 2. It's a glucose monitoring system indicated for measuring interstitial fluid glucose levels in people aged 4 years and older with diabetes. Remember, interstitial fluid is located beneath the skin, and the way that the Libre works is that it takes a sample of this fluid and measures the amount of sugar in it. The Libre 2 does come with its own reader in a separate box. However, today we're going to be looking at the app. In my previous Libre 1 video, I demonstrated setting up the reader, and it's very similar to that, so be sure to check that out if you're curious. In this box, we have a sensor applicator, a sensor pack, 2 alcohol wipes, and a product insert. So let's open this up for the first time. There's a little part here that says open here. And here we have the product insert. It has a really nice visual guide of the steps involved. And then, of course, a lot of fine print, such as contraindications, which I encourage you to read. Next, we have the sensor pack. And the reason that it's called that is because the sensor is inside of this. The next is the sensor applicator, which is what enables the delivery of the sensor into the skin. Now that we've taken a look at what's inside the Freestyle Libre 2, let's go ahead and apply the sensor. The first step is to choose where the sensor is going to go, either the back of your left arm or the right arm. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to go with my left arm because it'll be easier for me to coordinate when applying the sensor. Remember to avoid placing the sensor directly over a muscle. It's best to apply it to the fatty part of the back of the arm. And of course, avoid any scars, moles, stretch marks, and any lumps. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the site with an alcohol swab. And I'm gonna let it completely dry before applying the sensor, because if it isn't clean and it isn't dry, then the sensor won't stick very well. And we want it to stay there for 14 days. Because the sensor applicator and the sensor within the sensor pack come separately, we're going to have to assemble these pieces together. But spoiler alert, the Freestyle Libre 3 comes with this preloaded. So stick around for my next video where we'll show you that. Okay, coming back to this, let's go ahead and open up the sensor pack. And by the way, there is a code on here, so it's important to just double check that these two codes match, which they do. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the sensor pack. Okay, the applicator is also sealed, so I'm gonna break that seal, like that. Okay, this is what it looks like inside. And let's go ahead and assemble these two pieces together. So there is a line on the applicator, which is here, and a line on the sensor pack, which is here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to line those two up together. And now on a flat surface, I'm going to push down, and then it should be preloaded. So if you can see, there is a needle inside of here. You can see the adhesive, and the sensor is all loaded and ready to be placed in the arm. Remind your patient not to touch the needle inside of here. Everything is sterile and ready to go. So maybe I'm stalling a little bit because I'm a little bit nervous, but I've done this before. I did it with the Libre 1, the Dexcom G7, and to be honest, I know it doesn't hurt. Everything happens so fast. So feel a little bit more brave this time. Okay, ready? So the side is dry. This is the fatty part of my arm. I'm going to apply, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, there was a little bit of a prick there, won't lie, but it's in. got the Freestyle Libre 2 sensor in my arm. So next, we will set up the app, and then after a warm-up period of 60 minutes, we'll go ahead and see my first reading. Let's go ahead and set up the app. I've opened up the App Store, and I'm going to search for the Freestyle Libre 2. So I'm going to download that. Okay, so now I see a screen where I have to make an account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then you select your country and then your unit of measurement. I'm going to go ahead. And then you can enter in how you measure your carbohydrate units. And there we go. I'm presented with a welcome screen. Then it goes through a little bit about what I will expect to see when I open up the app. So I'm going to allow notifications because of the alarms. And it's going to tell me that the alarms are going to bypass the do not disturb function within my phone, which is important if you're sleeping and you normally set your phone to do not disturb, but you want to be alerted when you have a low. Now what I'm going to do is scan a new sensor. Now the way that this works is it uses NFC technology. That's the same technology that you'll use when you pay for something using your phone, for example. And then after that, the readings are sent between the sensor and the phone using Bluetooth technology. So I'm going to scan a new sensor, and it says ready to scan, hold the top of your iPhone near the device. Now, if I had an Android, this would be a bit different because the NFC antenna is usually located at the back of an Android phone, whereas in the iPhone, it's normally located at the top. So I'm going to hold the phone near the top of the device. Let me come a bit closer here. And now it's going to give me a notification telling me that my sensor is going to be ready in 60 minutes, which, like I said, is the warm-up period. Now let's get to that exciting update I mentioned about the Freestyle Libre 2. Up until now, Freestyle Libre 2 users had to manually scan the sensor in order to obtain current glucose levels and those from the past 8 hours. And if you didn't scan within 8 hours, then that data would be lost. Well, with the new update to the app, which is the one we've downloaded, users will automatically get real-time glucose readings on their smartphones every minute. This is transformational because, to be honest, it converts the Freestyle Libre 2 from a flash glucose monitoring system where users have to manually scan the reader to a sensor that sends readings in real time, similar to the Dexcom device. So it's been more than 60 minutes and the warm-up period is over. My app is ready. And when I first came to it, I noticed that nothing was there. And I thought something was wrong, so I was playing around with it. And the way I fixed that is what I did is I clicked on this little reading button here. And after doing that, and I put it close to my sensor, and I can already see a nice graph showing over here. And just some other components to talk about are the alarm feature, because this is what sets it apart from the Freestyle Libre 1. And you can set these targets on your own, what low would be for you, a high would be. There's a lot of customizability here, which is really nice. And if we just go back to the home page, it says signal lost again. So I'm going to scan that again. I have read that at the beginning it can be a little bit unstable, so I think that's what I'm experiencing now. So it's back up, that's good. I can see there's other things I can do here. I can add a note about food or insulin that I've injected or types of exercise that I've done. And I can also see how many days I have left for my sensor. So I just applied it, so I have 14 days left here. And I won't go through too much detail other than to show you what the home screen looks like, the fact that the colors here will change based on the glucose levels that you have. So red would be, you're experiencing a low, for example. Green is you're within target range. And other than that, I think I'll leave it here. I hope you've enjoyed this video of the unboxing, applying, and app setup of the Freestyle Libre 2. Stay tuned for more videos regarding the Freestyle Libre, including the Freestyle Libre 3, a comparison video, and much more content to come. So see you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye, pharmacist.